Do you import granite and marble from India? Due to COVID, you are not able to travel and still you are looking for a good and reliable supplier or manufacturer. Your supplier has taken advantage of COVID and give you low quality material at high price. Your supplier always lie and give you fake commitments. Are you a business owner of granite and want to import granite from India, but due to language problem you are not able to work in Indian market directly? Are you new and do not have any knowledge regarding how to import granite from India and don't know about document and shipping process? Then don't worry, I am here and I promise I will solve all your problems. I will help you grow your business, give best quality of granite, increase your sales in your country, help you create a brand value. You can compete your competitors easily. Hello friends, I am Ankit Singhal, the owner of Shriram Group. Shriram Expo has introduced 3 new companies: Shriram Expo, Shriram Stone and Company and Shriram Granito. We are manufacturer, importer and exporter of granite and marbles. We export in more than 21 countries. Our company was established in 1987. Now it is the second generation. We have collaboration in Dubai, Oman, Tunisia, Vietnam and Egypt. We process 65 containers of Black Galaxy granite every month and have our manufacturing unit in North India. There, the production is almost 73 containers a month. We deal in more than 36 colors of granite in India. Out of 36, the most popular granite are Black Galaxy, Tan Brown, Paradiso, Imperial Gold, Comic Gold, Shiva Gold, Colonial Gold, Forest Black, Colombo Jubrana, Red Multi, Himalayan Blue, Lavender Blue, Absolute Black, Colonial White, Alaska Gold, Armani Brown, Alaska Pink, Azul White, Fantasy Brown, Toronto Marble, Green Marble, Black Marquino, Fish Black, Ash Black, Tiger Skin, Platinum White, Chima Pink, Rosy Pink, Panda White, Steel Grey and others. So friends, if we work together with trust and transparency, nothing in this world can stop your business from growing. In granite business, you know trust is more important than money. We need to work together like as a team and our focus is to bring you the #1 position in granite market. Have a look at our testimonials.
Hello, I am Mustafa Aydoudi, manager of Mediterranean Marble Company. I am from Tunisia. I worked with Shriram Expo for a long period. Shriram Expo offers a large variety of high quality of granite, marble and quartz. It also provides us excellent service that ensure good relations with customers, suppliers. I would like to express my deep satisfaction with our good relationship. Shriram Expo is a successful example for future generations of companies.
I visit the company Shriram Export. First time I visit India, I visit the company Shriram Export. I'm meeting for Mr. Ankit. Mr. Ankit, very good man, good business, good material. You have material, double black, Galaxy, Tan Brown, granite, all granite for India and the marble material India, fish material, green India, Toronto, sour, very good material, fresh.
Hello everyone, I am Ayman Abdoudi, the owner of Amgad Stone Company in Egypt. We deal with the Shriram Expo Company in India for more than 7 or 8 years. We prefer Shriram Expo Company actually for many reasons. They are very professional, very honest, very straightforward. We imported from them a lot of Indian materials, marble and granite. Of course, their quality is one of the most beautiful and good qualities of Indian marble and granite.
So friends, if we work together with trust and transparency, nothing in this world can stop your business from growing. In Granite business, you know, trust is more important than money. We need to work together like as a team. And our focus is to bring you to number one position in the granite market. So friends, we are always open for collaboration. To contact us, you can visit our website or reach us on the number given below. Thank you.